Welcome, everyone! First up, a prank to see if geese care when their owner faints. Whoa! Sheep are extremely overdramatic. Me before morning coffee.
Caught him in.
How to tire your opponent out 101. Thankfully, they ducked.
Just when I needed you most, you were miles away. It's hard to tell what you're going through. You kept your feelings locked inside of you. Open your heart.
Life on a farm can be interesting. Camels are just secret ballerinas. This cow created its own water slide. This horse is a heavy metal fan.
Look at them snowy faces. Hey, Pudge. Hi.
Sheep are cute, but sheep with snowy faces? Next level. Doesn't get more farm fresh than this.
Rufus loves bananas.
Ducks love bananas? Never would have guessed it.
Rufus.
You can do it. If you step forward one more step. Sir, your nose is not. There you go.
Drinking posts are functional, but using them doesn't come naturally to all horses, especially this one.
All done?
What the heck is going on? What? Why is there a goat? Guys! What? Goat!
Turn your back for 1 second and there's a goat on the couch.
Come on, buddy. You know you want to.
He checked the electric fence and got zapped. These two just got FOMO.
You're funny.
Horses love a little rhythm.
Holly, she's got my cigarette.
How to get Grandma to quit smoking cold turkey? Bring in a chicken. I wonder what this crowd is for.
Hey.
I couldn't have guessed that.
What in the f are you doing? Get out of there. No.
Saglit naman ka lang. Akamchoso tayo ng kakamchang. Aldo ka sa dito ba kamana? Hey, stop lang.
With that much effort, she deserves to be free.
Can you say hey?
Hey.
Hey?
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
This baby camel speaks fluent English.
One.
These chickens have never seen snow before. They just won't move. Who needs a guard dog when you have a cat? Chickens might be small, but they're mighty. Horses have a sweet tooth. They ignored their own dinner to try and steal the horses.
Johnny, what are you doing, big boy?
The fact that even he is laughing here makes this funnier.
Okay, that was terrifying.
With cows, you never really know what you're walking into. Is this efficient? No. Fun? Definitely.
You're not a duck. Get out of the water. Let's go.
But she identifies as a duck.
Dumpling. Seriously. Let's go.
Ready, do you want to sing?
I'm on the goat side. That grass tasted unbelievably fresh.
Come here. Bean. Come on, Bean. mean? Come here. Come on. I know. Come
That no was clear as day. This cow wanted to test the theory. Is the grass greener on the other side?
Fat
Works every time. Is this a secret drill we don't know about? She came in like a wrecking ball. Moving sheep from point A to B is not for the weak. Well, 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 if it isn't the consequences of his own actions. Oh, what I'd give to be stuck in this traffic. He needed that nap. Owl and Dolly don't see the problem here. Just horsing around.
Show continues. Please explain.
This one took "take a seat" too seriously. A prodigy. Every barn has that one cow that can't keep it together. She's living her best life and I'm here for it.
Well, I guess it worked.
And now presenting the best sit of the year.
Can y'all do that? Good job, Boo-Boo.
I see where they got the inspo for Tigger.
Do it, Jerry! Don't do it, Jerry! No! Jerry! Those were my grandma's ashes!
No regrets.
Get out of the house!
You want to race again? All right. On your marks. Get set. Go. Go, Henry, go!
Henry was born to race.
Steven! I thought you were dead.
Nope, Just napping.
Ronnie, right. What you see in the mirror is just your perception, okay? It doesn't have to be like that. Other people see you differently, okay? So...
Excuse me? He's beautiful.
To heart. And also, the camera adds £10.
That's a weird sprinkler.
Buddy, you have a good day, man. Hey. No, come on, this way. This way. No, my goodness, no, my goodness. Oh, thank you. Middle of the road, donkey. Come on, donkey. Come on. Sorry. Donkey, come on. Come on. Up we go. Jeez, man. Oh my God. Crazy, man. Jeez, bro.
This man's pet donkey is actually a silly goose.
In the middle of the road.
I think he senses your fear. Get over there and face him. No, get over there and face him. You can't run from him. He's gonna win. Yeah, win it! Win it! Yeah! Yeah! Win it! Win it! Jax, you're winning! You're winning! You're winning!
Nothing will humble your kids faster than a good old rooster. These mamas are a unit. I aspire to be as unbothered as this horse. Sibling energy through and through.
You there, Bruce? How are you gonna get out? You want help? Brucey,
Even for goats, this is a bit out there, dude.
are you in a predicament?
Never seen cows this clear about their choice. People think longhorns are terrifying when they're actually this cute. Humbled himself. The emu runs this farm. This woman speaks fluent turkey. Exhibit 4000, horses are basically dogs. Whoever built this roof knew what they were doing. Charlotte, this isn't a self-serve restaurant.
Merci.
Oh, shoot! Hey! Hey!
My train! My train!
Hey!
Oh my gosh!
Hey, Lee. Almighty! Hide it! Okay.
What's your geese?
Okay.
Hey!
You got to go! Pull up and go!
They missed the no feeding the animals sign.
Who's that handsome boy? Who's that handsome? Who is that?
He just found out he's handsome. Goat King. She uses 100% of her brain. In case you thought turkeys were boring.
Okay, alright. Come on. Alright. That's enough. Okay, it's okay. That's my food. That's alright.
These two have been sworn enemies since they were born.
Okay.
Are you okay there, Duke?
Totally normal horse behavior.
How big you are. Everybody thinks you and Humpty are the same type of cow. This is a... Emmanuel, do not do it. Emmanuel, don't do it! Emmanuel! Don't do it. I'm trying...
Emmanuel will always do it.
Okay?
Yeah, boys, good morning. Good morning. Hi, buddy. Did you sleep good? Okay, you crazy.
That's one way to say good morning.
Mystic! See, this is why we didn't think you were pregnant, you fat girl. Mystic, you gotta share. Jump right on your head.
You stepped on my foot.
How to get the maximum food? Dig in before it's served.
Baking soda in here. Because you eat so fast.
She walks the dog, the horse walks her. Don't click off yet. If you love our videos, subscribe now and hit that bell. And wait, there's more videos for you right here on the screen. Just click on the one that grabbed your interest and enjoy. See you there!